Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new videos.
Hey guys, what's up? This is the watch which I'm going to unbox today, and this is gifted by my father, and it was totally unexpected. Yeah, he told me that he's going to gift me something, but he said that he's gonna buy a torch, a streamlight torch, which cost around 35,000 rupees. So he told me that I'm gonna gift you, and I also thought that my father will gift me that torch. So but today my father gave me this. This is a box of happiness. So yeah, I'm going to unbox the torch that worth rupees 35,000 rupees very soon. It is gonna deliver to my father on 15th of November, and when I got it to me, then I'll unbox it. So for now, I'll unbox this Ethos Watches Boutiques watch. So let me open the box and tell you of which company this watch is from. So okay, and this gift was totally unexpected. That my father first told me that he's going to gift me a drone, second said he's going to gift me a torch, and then again drone, then say nothing, and now then today finally this watch. So actually my old watch, my old digital watch which I wear, it was Zergi watch, which broke down, which broke, okay, and currently I was wearing this Kenneth Cole watch, and I have a smartwatch, or T11 smartwatch. Sorry for the shaky camera because I don't have my main tripod here, I just have my Gorilla tripod here. So and one I have a Rado watch, which you have watched it on my later video, in my previous video, which I have recorded and uploaded on the YouTube. So firstly, unbox this. Okay, so open it. Let me open it. So okay, it's one of my dream watch, and I love this watch company, and I love this watch too. So let me take it out. Yeah, I removed this, and here is the watch. This is the Casio G-Shock with the Bluetooth. With Bluetooth means it has Bluetooth, and the price of this watch is 9,500 rupees. And as you can see, Bluetooth branding over here, and the G-Shock branding. And where's Casio? Okay, Casio is written over. Okay, now let me open the watch. Okay, then. Okay, here we got some few stuffs like user manual. No, this is not user manual. This is the international warranty card. And what is this? Oh yeah, this is the bill. Yeah, this is the bill, and this is the G-Shock G-Mix link with smartphone mobile link. Okay, so these are the features what this watch has. So it has music control, time adjustment, world time 300, watch setting, phone finder. Okay, so, and this is the user manual of Casio, and it is very big user manual. You will need it because you maybe set up the watch by your own. And here comes the watch, and this is the international warranty regulations. And okay, there's some other language over here, and this is what it is: a 2 years warranty, which is an Indian warranty. And what is this? Yeah, it is the dealership Casio India, distributed by Casio India Company Private Limited. And then here we have got a Bluetooth watch, like you can just visit the site. And here we got nothing here, just a piece of a cardboard. Okay, now so this is the main thing. G-Shock branding over here. It is written here since 1983. The G-Shock is very old, means almost 35 years old is G-Shock. And the shock resistant, and what is over written here? WR20 bar. Okay, I don't know what is it. So G-Shock over it. Let me open it. Okay, let me open it. Okay, I have removed it, and boy oh boy, this is my watch, and it looks fantastic and mind-blowing. Yeah, this is something for watch supporter, and nothing we got here. So this is the watch which my father gifted me today. You know, it looks very cool. Like the bands of the watch are shining, means it's worth it, man. It's worth the money. Almost in 10,000 rupees you can getting the wonderful watch, and you can see here like gold design over there, and it has also a light feature which I'll show you. Okay, so this is very bright light, and in the downside you can see the time. It is 4:09, and in the upside it is 11:09, and today is the day is Friday, and this is the analog. So this watch has timer, alarm, stopwatch. You can you can use 5 alarms, and world time. Your world time you can see here. Let me show to you what is a world time. Means in one watch you can check the time of other countries like London and America. Okay, यहाँ पे आपको modes दिख रहे हैं. Okay, so let me show you the world time. Here you click, it is world time. Okay, so world time has appeared St. John. Okay, St. John, and the time in St. John is 7:11. So let me switch it to okay, again Rio de Janeiro. What's the time? 8:41. And again Lisbon. Okay, Lisbon, what's the time in Lisbon? It's 10:41. Okay, there are a lot of countries, man. Madrid. Okay, Madrid, the time in Madrid is 11:42. Now again, what mode we have got here? Alarm. Okay, you can switch the alarm off. Alarm is off. And timer, setup, GBA-400, as you can see the watch brand, and it is back to standard mode. And this is the reset button, and this is the light button, and this is, I don't know what is it. Yeah, okay, this is what, like, something you can set the UTC and all. I just don't want to do that. Okay, and so this is the watch, and the main feature of this watch is it has Bluetooth in it. So actually I can't show you right now. When I'll post a review of this watch, then I'll show you Bluetooth. Now I can tell you what work it does. Now first you have to install an app which is G-Shock Plus in your smartphone, and then you have to connect it through, like here. Okay, now connect option. From here, this is the magical button. Here you have to press and you have to connect your device, and after connecting your device you can use, yes, you can change the time of the watch in the phone. You can use 24-hour time, you can play music, you can stop music, you can find your smartphone, you can do many things, like you can change, you can customize your watch, you can set the duration of the light, and many things you can do. So this is my gift from my parents, from my father especially, and because I wanted a digital watch, because like I use this Kenneth Cole watch, which is an analog watch. So analog watch is good for, like, if you are wearing if you are going for a party and like all, but for daily use G-Shock is best. G-Shock is a stylish watch, a funky watch which suits you. So in daytime I love this watch according to me, but someone loves analog watch, some will love digital watch, but I prefer both. According to the situation you have to wear the right watch which is for you. So I also have a smartwatch which I unboxed. If you have not watched that video, you can see on the I button, and I have unboxed a 1,25,000 rupees watch, which is a Rado Hyper Chrome watch. You can also check out I'll leave the link in the description box below. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please share our video and comment our video that what you like about this video and what you disliked about this video. And thank you for watching this video, guys, and thank you for 130 subscribers. You are awesome.